What's up, YouTube? Welcome and welcome back to another video on my channel. My name is Len. If you're new here, if you're not new, welcome back. I'm gonna be doing a vlog. I just finished work. 4:30. It's 4:48 now. I had to walk up that long hill back there to get to my car because on the weekends we're supposed to be able to park on property, but we can't, and that's a story for another time. Anyway, I have to get some cat food, and then I have to check on my mother cat because she went to St. John to work, so I have to check on the cat almost every weekend. So I have to get some cat food for my cats, and then I'm gonna give him some out of my bag. And then I want to clean my apartment, and I want to start cleaning today. I would say that I'm off tomorrow, but I'm not. I have my internship to do. So I will be here at my job tomorrow, but in the spa again. I'm going to see how much it is for a big bag of food at Kmart, and then I'm going to go, by her house. So, yeah. I still don't have my car tripod up yet because we had been through a storm recently. We got a lot of rain. We had some thunder and lightning on the first night, on Tuesday night, which was, February something. I don't even know. So the car didn't get to wash, we didn't get to clean out the car because we had to work, and then it was just pouring like on the way home and stuff like that. So it was just bad. So yeah, I'm about to go now. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I had before, but they're not gonna eat this because they don't like it. I guess I'll get a smaller bag because I think they like this brand, but it had a blue one that I like, but I don't know what it is. And I don't remember where I gave from. And I don't want to buy a big bag of this because they're not going to eat it. So that's how I'll just buy a smaller bag. This is Friskies. This is the only Friskies they have. Yeah, it's Friskies that I buy, but it's a blue bag. So I was asking if you remember where I got it from. Y'all, I was looking at these bowls and I'm gonna come back for them because they are so cute. They're so cute and they're so tiny. Good enough for them because they don't need big bowls. And I'm also thinking about this toy, Smarty Cat. It's so cute, and I like to do the laser on them so they play. I don't have my tripod, that's why it look like that. I have all kind of toys here. It have the balls that they like. This is the globe, but like how? Maybe it'll go in the night. I don't fucking know. I'm gonna go with these. This here, cause they don't have nothing else. I may try and go all the way out there and out country, and they don't have what I need. So I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get 2 of them. But they don't even have a price. I think this is it. God, I am mad, okay? Because like I was literally like this and I was talking to you guys and I was literally in a deep motherfucking conversation. It cannot recover data, and then that whole clip was like 3 minutes gone. I don't even remember what the hell I was saying. I think I reached by my mom and I go and feed this cat. This is the cat food I end up buying, Friskies. I bought 2 of them, but I'm gonna take some out of this to feed for him because I don't think he ate since yesterday. But he has an automatic feeder, but what happened to it, I think it was almost empty of food. She was saying she running out of food, so she asked me to feed him or whatever. So I hear whatever, and I was thinking about taking my camera upstairs, showing you guys the baby. It's not so much a baby anymore, but yeah, I was talking about setting a schedule because I have my planner and I have information on my planner. But like it doesn't work in a planner if you don't execute it. So basically I was thinking about like how I work at 9 to 5, and after 9:95 I'll go to class. So I was thinking of setting hours after class. So basically I would go to work, finish work at 5:30, and then 5:45 catch a shuttle because that's what time I leave. go to class for 6, finish at work, finish class, and then go home. So I was thinking about setting hours. So like I would have an hour to edit or an hour to do classwork if I had classwork, or you know, cook or something. So like I would set schedules for myself so it'd be easier to edit and you know, whatever. I wanted a vlog to post tomorrow, but obviously it's not gonna be posted tomorrow because I never work on it, because I was too busy working on my Jamaica trip and trying to hurry up and push it out. So my Jamaica trip video just got posted yesterday, so I was thinking of trying to, the vlog before this one would be posted. I was trying and pushing for Tuesday, and then on Sunday this one that I'm recording right now would be posted. So I was also thinking of not vlogging today, but I'm like, why not, you know? Because what I was thinking of is to try to make a different video, and I was like, you know what, maybe I'll try doing a different video and a vlog, so I have more than one type of content to push out, you know what I mean? But anyway, let me go upstairs and feed the cat before I got gnawed off. So let's go. See, I got 2 of them. Look at this, y'all. My coworker got it for me for Christmas. I don't know if I ever show you guys that, but like, yeah, and I gotta show you my Jamaican keychain. So yeah, I have 2 cats and they don't eat. That's what I was saying. I think I have ADHD, you know, because I would just be talking and then just randomly change to another topic and then forget what I'd be talking about. But yeah. I come in Plaza Extra so I could get some ground turkey and broccoli. Hopefully they have broccoli today, but I doubt it. I ain't gonna have ground turkey, so I think I'm gonna go with some ground beef. Okay, so as I could have seen in the store, it didn't have any ground turkey, so I just decided to get, I have ground beef home, but it's frozen, and I don't have time to think. So I got some broccoli. I've never seen this kind, but it had no other kind. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. And we have juice home, but like, we have to make it. So I just buy a bottle of this. What it is? Berry pineapple passion fruit. Yeah, that's my name. So okay, so I decided to come to the job and wait for Kasai instead of going home for like 30 minutes to come back. So I'll just wait, and in the meantime I can just do my workbook and finish the chapter that we were on, which is chemical relaxing. Because I didn't go to class on Thursday because, like I was saying, it had a storm and I wasn't in the mood to go to class on Thursday, so I didn't go. But Thursday was supposed to be a chapter test, so yeah. And I ain't finished that, so I'm gonna finish it now. Let me show you the haul I got when I went shopping by my mom. I got 8 of these. These are my favorite snack, literally 8 of these. I took 3 of these. Yes. Wait, they upside down. Yeah, and this. So hand sanitizer. So I home, obviously. I'm gonna wash the dishes, just a couple of little dishes, and then I'm gonna cook the food because I'm hungry, I'm tired, and I'm ready to go in my bed. So I like Kasaya cup. She looks so good. But I'm gonna wash the dishes and then yeah.
more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Oh, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you.
Don't forget you. Spit on the man that signed.
Otherwise, it would help. You're wasting time. She can start in 2 days.
She can't start in 2 days.
Definitely search.
He's looking for any excuse to cancel. I think he's got a big bag of those already. His regulations are just here.
Angiogenesis inhibitors prevent the tumors from creating blood vessels.
So this is my ground beef. I put like tomato sauce and I don't feel like cutting up anything, to be honest. I already eat, but I put tomato sauce and ketchup, chopped broccoli. That's the whole bag, you know, and this is what it looks like, bro. And white rice. My food's up. Oh shit. Nobody can say Lenisha can't cook, okay? Nobody can say Lenisha can't cook or Lenisha can't survive, because Lenisha does survive, okay? I gotta have my own way of surviving though. I never wash the dishes, you know? Like I never finished washing them, but I'll finish washing them tomorrow or later. But they're gonna be done before the week start for sure, because I don't want my kitchen dirty. I'm just putting the seasonings away. Don't look at what else I have in my cabinet. I don't have anything for you guys. I have popcorn, corn, cream of wheat, pasta, chips, Ritz, crackers, ravioli, honey, sazon, and seasonings. And some Nutella that I get from work and I never eat it yet. Not yet. But yeah, my food is done. Let me mix in I was going to say ravioli, but the ground beef a little more. But I taste it and let me tell you, it's so good.
When I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on.
Hey guys, after procrastinating for so long, I'm editing this video right here. My video that is gonna be posted literally today, and I realized that I never made an outro, so I just came back and I'm like, today is February 23rd, trust me, and this is like 2 weeks ago it was supposed to be done. But anyway, me and Rain, say hi, don't be rude, be nice. But anyway, we just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. If you did stick to the whole video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also comment some videos that I would like to see on my channel. You know, comment some other videos, because you know I'm very interested and I'm down to do different videos. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that post notification bell so whenever I post a video you guys get it. Okay, thank you, bye.